issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson County, Illinois, north central Perry County, Missouri, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Mary, or near Chester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chester and Lithium. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 134 and 137. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Jackson, Illinois, and Perry, Missouri. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for